So, good evening YouTube. I'm having one of those what the f moments. So, those of you who watch the channel will be seeing over the weekend I repaired this little beauty. Had a little bit of deer damage. So I basically repaired the bumper and sprayed it up, and everything went well. Looked pretty good when I finished. So I'm finding it very difficult to understand what the f basically is going on. This seems to be rain damage. It's been raining really heavily today, and God knows what the hell's happened, but this is obviously what rattle can paint does for you. So the whole car is now white spotted. This won't wipe off, as you can see. There is a decent layer of lacquer over the top. There is a decent layer of paint underneath. I took my time spraying it, as you see from the results before. Everything went well. But everywhere where water's hit it, basically it's gone like this. And now it looks like a bag of crap. So, as you can tell, I'm not impressed. Now I even, over the weekend, put a wax coating on this. Give it some car polish. So I would really love to understand what the bloody hell's going on, because I'll be honest, I'm annoyed. Jesus, yeah, back in my days we used to do so many repair jobs with rattle cans. You know, used to work as a panel beater and sprayer, and a lot of the stuff, minor stuff like this, would do with rattle cans. But obviously paint nowadays is cheap and nasty crap, but I've never ever seen a reaction like this before. So, looks like I've got some more work to do. Brilliant. Good night, YouTube.